Hey champs, today we are going to learn how to connect MongoDB with Socket. So we will make an example in this video to create user in database. So first I want to say something to my viewers. If you want to learn programming, you need to understand the coding, and you want to understand coding, you need to watch full video. So I noticed some viewers are not watching full video, so they will not understand the programming. So let's we start. Now first import mongoose, require mongoose, and first connect database MongoDB localhost 27017 and sct user. Okay. Now const user schema, new mongoose schema. Okay, now name as type as string. We can add many parameters is here default and required, but now we just make as simple type number. Okay, I'm making simply. Now we need to add timestamps, so the automatically created and updated field is in user schema. Now post user m create a model mongoose dot model user schema. Now database connection and model has been done. Okay, now going to the socket section, socket dot on. So first get list. I'm creating a listener get list and add here as a user list. Okay, and const user list await user m dot find. So this listener is getting user data, and now the other listener is I have already added listener in our HTML file. So the first listener is user list and the other listener is get user. Now data. So here is the HTML. HTML has a get user, create user, emit create user. So now we are adding create user. So here is emit in create user. So name and value. Emit means send and the on means receive. So here we can receive data, user data. So now async await user m dot create. Now name as data dot name as data dot is. Now user will create it and let user d. So this is written created user. Now socket dot emit. Now we have checking listener name. The listener name is get user. Get user. We can send same as here, and or we can send this. So this data has what to send in create user, this, and this has user model created data. Okay, now get user, user d, emit, a is so understand first emit create user. So create user listener going to here create user and first create the user and send to the gate user. Okay, send to the gate user create element and append this data into the array. Okay, now user list is already created user to append the li list. Okay, now we can check in the browser, go to here. So first name as Ravi. Ravi has is 25. Send. Okay, something is going wrong. Okay, now the listener argument must be type function of received an instance. Okay, no worry. And now here I'm await user list, await, user list, create user async data, data dot name is totally emit, create user, get user, list user. Everything is perfect. What is the issue of this? Function value error invalid argument type. Get user, put user, non-emit. Get user on user list on user. Okay, so emit need to emit user list. Okay, now we are going here. Ravi and two. So Ravi name is Ravi and age is 12. So Ravi is created. Now you can see Ravi is here and Rahul is 15. When you press the send button, Rahul and Ravi both are listing here. And you can refresh this and you can refresh this. So the list is already there because first I fetch the list from database. Okay, and you can choose anything. Nafis is 34. Now the database has been working. The data is saying in MongoDB. You can see. Okay. Now here is create mongoose dot set as debug. Debug. I always set debug in development mode so I can see the query in the browser in terminal. Okay. Now if I go to here NNN and 23. So we can see the query. Okay. So friends, if you think this video is useful to you, so like, subscribe and comments if you want anything from my side. And if you like this video and comment me, so I will make a chat application, end-to-end chat application. So chat application, everything is in database and you can chat anywhere. So thank you very much for watching.